Wow.
Judges, the contestant is yours.
Craigslist is waiting.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going okay.
What you motherfuckers doing all night? How you guys doing?
Hang on a second. We
Did
have to
okay.
talk to Ann. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah.
What?
So, hey.
Well, you guys know. What's your qualifications?
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Jason motherfucking Flood. That's what my name is.
Yeah.
Give me a what's up. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, come on.
Show us what you got.
Look,
Hey, Jason, where are you from?
I'm from fucking Greenville, Ohio, everybody. Oh.
Of course you are. Yeah, of course you are.
What?
Hey, Jason, tell us what your talent is tonight.
Man, my talent is I can get as many eggs thrown at me as I want, and I don't give a shit. It turned me the fuck on. So, here we go.
All right.
All right, I have them fucking thrown. You can just throw them at me, all right? Everybody's missing. Jesus Christ. Aim for the dick. God damn it.
Make me laugh.
Oh, fuck.
Right on the nose.
Oh, fuck. All right. Tell us about
Hey.
There we go. I'm going to take over here.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Do you have a question?
Wait.
The light's working? Okay, we'll get the lights on. That's blood. Who's got eggs left? Who's got eggs left? Come on.
You want that fucking egg?
There we go. You missed. Got one more. There we go. You missed again. Oh!
Okay. It's still good. All right, feed us the jokes. You got one? Oh yeah, go.
How much time do I got left? Look,
All right.
I'll do some jokes.
We're done.
I'll do some jokes.
Wait.
I hope. I hope so.
Let's see here. I used to play house a lot when I was single. But I did like to keep it realistic, so I was single. But that was because my wife died on 9/11.
Jesus
Dude, you were like 5 then.
Hey! Punchline right there.
God.
What do you guys want to talk about?
Not that.
Tell us what's on your mind.
Tell us what's on my mind.
Tell us why your nose is bleeding.
Tell us some yolks.
Oh, some yolks. That's a good one. That's a good one right there. Okay, I'll tell you this one. I was really anxious when I was a child. Very anxious. So much so, whenever something was happening at school, I thought my family was going to blame me
Can you do
for
that?
something that was going on at school. Oh.
Keep going.
Boo, boo! Well, I'm not getting to the good part yet. One day a kid got their dick sucked in the cafeteria. Hey! Yeah. And when I heard it, that one didn't break.
What the fuck are we doing?
But when I heard that, I knew my parents were going to blame me. Okay? Just had a feeling in my loins. I felt it. But when I got home, my suspicions were right. My father's first words to me were, "Who got their dick sucked?" He was upset because he knew it wasn't me.
All right, let's give it up for Jason.
Hey!
Yeah.